So, hey guys, my name is Rivera. My mommy's making some cabbage. So, she's making some cabbage and she's putting the oil first. So, guys, my mommy's gonna put 2 hocks in. So, guys, my mommy's gonna put the onion soup mix. Beef broth.
The next ingredient after I add the beef broth here is going to be the chicken broth.
What?
And you know we got to make it Cajun, so we got to throw that Zataran Creole seasoning in there. And this is a regular herb blend right here. And now we're going to throw in 2 cups of water. So after we throw the 2 cups of water in there, we're going to let it come to a boil. So at this point in the video, I'm cutting up the cabbage into quarter-sized pieces. Once they're evenly distributed, then we're going to put them in the pot. So now that it's up to a rolling boil, now we're going to bring it down and let it simmer on medium low. Make sure you're adding the seasoning throughout the cooking process.
The cooking process? Is it making things?
Yep. As you can see, the cabbage is starting to release water and soak up more flavor. And here's the final product. Make sure y'all comment, hit that like button, subscribe, and be looking out for more videos.